Hello, this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Here are two packages that arrived. Actually, this is my third yarn unboxing. So I'm just flying up and down. But I'm not happy that I'm not having more room, getting less and less room to store these. So but I need to see what's inside. I just can't wait. So that one over there looks smaller. This one looks way bigger. Okay, for that, I think for the small one, I'm not sure. But this one, I did pay customs, and the package is ripped. Okay, just trying to figure out. So this one is about 30 kilogram. So the box is 30 kilogram. Let me look at this. It's pretty heavy. I didn't haul these upstairs. This one, the gray one, is 24 kilogram. So let me just open and show you what's inside. Okay. Okay. Oh my goodness, look at this yarn. Oh. Oh. You know what? I'm not gonna open because I have no room to store these. The way he vacuumed, oh, it's just gorgeous. But I want to. Oh, look at it. This looks nice. 1, 2, 3. You can go into his Instagram page and look at the videos that he uploads, and the posts. Today, the action started Thursday, Friday, Saturday, I believe, for 3 days. Okay, I didn't bid on so many because I have so much yarn. These are wool. I can see what they are. If I open this, it's vacuumed, right? And it's so nice. Çok teşekkür ederim. Çok teşekkür ederim Çağrı Bey. Look at it, the way he packed. It's just one of a kind. Look at this. There's mohair yarn. You know what? I'm not gonna open this bag because it's just wonderful how he put them in a vacuum bag. Oh, I have this yarn. Okay. So I'm sorry, but I'm not gonna open. I can put these under the bed because it's nicely done. And let me just pull this. There's another bag underneath. Let me see. Oh my goodness. It's like opening a magical chest. Oh, this lovely velvet yarn. I bought this, I remember. It's the same yarn. Okay. I'm just looking. It's a similar yarn that I bought from my unboxing. So, yeah, here's some cotton blend. These are wool. Because I bought the similar yarn, I just don't want to open this bag. It's really hard to vacuum them and put them, you know, separately. So these are special custom design. Because I had a back operation, I can't stand long, and today I'm really tired. I have to be very careful. If I hurt my back, I can't move for 3 weeks. It just kills me. Okay, these are the wool that I bought from last time. So these are included. Yeah, this one is a custom, let me see, let me just pull up the camera. So this yarn is a custom design yarn. What they do is they do a couple of strands of yarn and creates this gorgeous yarn. So I'm going to be making shrugs, bridal shrugs or boleros, and knit them up. These here are some eyelash yarn, ivory, that I knit. Yeah, so I already know I bought these. I bought this a lot. I have so many of them. And I don't know what this is. So that's the reason I don't want to open it. And this is a wool blend, so I know what that is. Okay, here's another ball there. So here's more mohair yarn. Same velvet yarn I bought from my first package. And these I can knit, I thought these were thicker, so I need to double strand these to knit Aran sweaters. You can also dye these, but I need the ecru color. Just looking at this bag. So sorry about the shadow. This is mohair blend, I believe. Here are the velvet yarn that I was waiting for. Great, these green and then darker green. That's what I was waiting for. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Okay, let me open this package now. So this package is 23 kilogram and 100 gram. Okay. Okay, this is going to be tough because it's not in a cardboard. So what I'm going to do is, I don't see any rip or anything, so I can just use that. But other than that, I'm just gonna poke because I don't want to cut the vacuum bag, right? That's gonna help me a lot. Okay, here we go. I found cut a piece. So I'm just gonna clip it very gentle because I don't want to cut the vacuum bag. That's going to help me a lot. Oh, this is very thin yarn. So let me just open this slowly, slowly. Very strong. Clip it little bit. So I have 2 more packages coming tomorrow. They're going to be bigger than these 2. Well, 30 kilogram, I believe, like the other one. And I didn't pay custom fee for the small one, but I did pay custom fee for the big one. I believe it was $20 plus. I haven't received the bill, so it's going to be billed through my account. I have a FedEx account, and then I did pay custom fees for the ones that are arriving tomorrow, so that's over $50. So with these, oh, I think I paid. Yeah, I did pay custom fee for this one. I'm sorry. So I paid over $100 for the 4 packages for these 2, and then the 2 that are arriving tomorrow. Again, these are shipped with FedEx, so I get Chada Bey gets Mr. Chada Chifchi gets a great deal through FedEx. Thank you so much. At least it comes faster, right? Okay. Let me just open this and I'll be back. Okay. Oh my goodness. I don't even remember buying these yarn. I don't recognize them. I need to go back to the posts that I... Yeah, these must be very... Just looking at them because I don't want to open them. Oh, I don't remember these yarn at all. Oh boy. So two sides he packed so I can see. Yeah, I don't. It's been a long time. I can't remember what I ate yesterday, right? So I need to check the videos that I have bet on. These are a nice color. Yeah, oh my goodness, I am so overwhelmed today. My hands get so dirty. I keep on washing them because the packages are dirty, right? Okay. And he packed it so securely. It's double bagged. I don't want to even open them. The ones that I opened them, it's like all over. The way that he puts them, oh my goodness, it's so great the way he packs. I can't put them back in one bag. I need to put, like, there's so many yarns. I put them in 2 bags and they're like packed. Look at the colors. Oh my goodness. I think these were on the last action, which was 2 weeks ago. Was it last week? I can't even remember. No, he had one action 1 week, and then he doesn't have an action for another week. So it's every other week. So I believe these are the wool. Yeah, that's what they are. And I don't want to touch them. I don't want to open the bag. Like I said, it's so securely packed until I start knitting them, right? I wonder what this is. I need to go and check my videos. I am so tired, so I am so sorry, but I am very tired of opening these, unboxing them. Like, I have no energy left, let's say it that way. And I did drink a cup of coffee, and even that didn't help. So I'm gonna go to bed early tonight. Okay. So I hope you like this. I know I couldn't open it. I'm sorry. And I just wanted to share how it arrived and how I'm unboxing them. Other than that, it's I can imagine these are thin wool, and I will be making wonderful garments with these yarn. Look at the colors. Bunlar son mezattan değil mi Çağrı Bey? Evet, son mezattan herhalde. Ocak ayındakiler henüz gelmedi. I can't wait for the rest of the yarn to arrive. I'm so tired. Çok yorgunum. Çağrı Bey, çok yoruldum bugün paket açmakla. Ya bunları hiç açmayayım ben. Çok güzel sarmışsınız. Sonra koyamıyorum tekrar torbalara. Fantastic packing. Like me and my husband, we traveled a lot, and we packed our luggages. But Mr. Çağrı Çiftçi is the best packaging department. Well, he has 3 Etsy shop. Let me see if I can put their link below. Like, you can go and purchase it. He also has the Etsy shop that he sells yarn. I will put the link below because I know it's not easy if you don't know how to do the auction and then bid on it, buy it. But you can go to his Etsy shop and you can buy the yarn that you want. I believe he has these yarn in his Etsy shop and the others as well. yeah. So I will put his 3 shops. I think he has 3. He sells with his wife and his sister-in-law. They sell blankets, crocheted lovely blankets for a great deal. Yeah, these are all wool. So I will put the links below. As you can see, the packaging is fantastic. And if I buy it from him through Etsy, I would give him a 5-star all the way. Like, there's nothing wrong with the packaging, and it came nice and secure. So I would highly recommend his shops. You can buy yarn, you can buy a handmade item from him, and his wife and his sister-in-law. Okay, so I'm gonna let you go because I keep on repeating myself. Like I said, I'm really tired, but I keep on turning the bag. It's oh, I love these colors. Look at these colors. Oh, I'm going to be making lots of beautiful I'm going to be busy. Let's point it that way. I am going to be super busy. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Share it with your family and friends. And like I said on my previous yarn haul, I'm almost hitting to 30,000 subscribers, and I only need 200 people. Yes, 200, not 2,000. And if I have the 200 people, and plus I just received an email this week, past week, that I hit my 500 YouTube videos that I have uploaded on my YouTube channel. So I'm going to celebrate that. I will do a yarn giveaway. So if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. And don't miss out the yarn giveaway. Okay, well, you take care. We'll talk soon. Thank you. Have a great evening. Bye-bye. Hoşça kalın.